Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I am back today with another Sezane video. This is my fourth one for the fall season. If you missed the last three, I'll link them down below for you to check out next. But in today's video, I have 5 gorgeous pieces to share with you. I will talk about their fit and construction and their overall details, and I'll also style them a few different ways for you to give you a little outfit inspiration. 2 of the items are jeans, and of course the big question is, are they gonna fit me? Am I finally gonna find a pair of Sezane jeans that I'm happy with? Well, stick around and find out. Let's get started. Starting things off with the Adele jumper. This is a knitted sweater and it only comes in this chocolate brown color. I do hope Sezane comes out with other colors because it is a very lovely sweater and I'd like to see it in more color options. This chocolate brown is a very rich, deep, dark chocolate brown, really beautiful, and of course browns are super trending for this fall, so a really great option there. As you can see, it is a short sleeve sweater. It has a little bit of a balloon style, a little bit of an elasticated tightness at the end of the sleeve, as well as some ruffling detail, and it's really, really pretty on the arm. Also, speaking of pretty details, I love the way this is knitted. I'd say it's a very light kind of cable knit style. Just beautiful detail there and really helps elevate the look of the sweater. It is a crew neck here, and as far as the length, it's not cropped, of course. It is a pretty long length, but it's not super long. Easy to tuck in. As far as the fit, I have the size medium, and the website does suggest to size up if you are in between sizes, suggesting that this runs a little bit on the small side. I have to beg to differ. I do think this is very true to size. I think this is just a perfect fit. It is a fitted style overall. It's not a loose type of sweater. It's not going to be hanging and baggy on you. It is nice and fitted, but not overly tight. I am happy with the medium. Again, I do wish it comes out in other colors because it is a really great piece, perfect for my Southern California weather. Before I jump into the next item, I want to give a big warm welcome to all those returning subscribers. Thank you so much for tuning in each week and watching my videos and sharing your thoughts and comments. I appreciate it so very much, and I'm so happy that you're here and supporting this channel. It really means the world to me. And if you're just coming across this channel for the first time, big warm welcome to you as well. I hope that you'll consider subscribing. Not only do I do a lot of Sezane content, but my fashion content is all about chic and feminine style. So I do hope you'll return and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next video. Now on to the next item. All right, so the next item are these Tommy trousers. And of course, I've had my fair share of trying on bottoms from Sezane without having any luck, so I'm pretty much almost out of options, but I found these and thought, let me try these as well because I am on a mission to find Sezane denim that I absolutely love and that I can be happy with. So let's see if these are the right ones. Now, this is a high-waisted jean. It's coming up just above my belly button, so of course I love that. It is a nice rigid style, 100% organic cotton, which that is also a nice big check mark because I do love rigid denim. The detail here is an open exposed type of button detail with some kind of tortoiseshell detail there, which I do love that as well. I love the stitching around the pockets, and the pockets are real. The back are flat and no detail there except for just a little bit of a pleated detail, but there's no pockets. The length of them is a 34 inseam, so nice long on the leg. They are a bit of a straight style coming out to a flare at the bottom. Wide leg, I should say. It's not really flared because it's very straight all the way down with a wide leg, and I could wear them with heels, which is really wonderful. I do love that they make these on the long side, so you can opt to hem them to whatever length you want, but for those tall girls out there, I think the 34s work really nicely. So the big question, of course, is do these fit? Well, I picked up the size US 6. It's my usual size in denim. The website does suggest to size down if you are in between sizes, suggesting a little that these might be running slightly on the large side. However, I find find that they are a nice true to size fit on me. I love how they fit on the waist, really nice and perfectly fit there. Great through the hips and the bum area. They're not too tight, they're not squishing me in like other Sezane jeans have done in the past. One thing that I do have to call out, unfortunately, which I don't know if this is just kind of Sezane's issue across the board in the way that they cut their jeans, but again, and I had this complaint about the Augusto trousers, but it was kind of pulling at the crotch ever so slightly. It's not bothering me as much as it did on the other jeans I tried in the last one. I don't know if it's something that I just need to get over. Just let me know, Maria, you're making too big of a deal out of this. They look fabulous or whatever. Just let me know in the comments what you truly think of them. I'm leaning towards keeping them. I'm not quite sure, but I do have to try them on a few more times and kind of feel my way around them and see if I really truly love them. But so far they are making me feel a lot better than any of the other jeans. Next up is the Kate sweater. Now this is 100% merino wool and absolutely no itch factor going on. I was surprised to see that it was merino wool because it feels really beautiful on the skin. Soft, gentle, very, very nice and thin as well. It's not a very heavy, chunky, overly hot sweater at all. So really perfect for milder weather like we have here in Southern California. It has a high neck, but it is due to this beautiful, delicate, very feminine detail lace here, and it's really beautiful on the neck. I think it's so flattering. It's just a lovely touch. I love it so much. And the beautiful detailing carries through here, the front of the sweater with this gorgeous lace detailing here as well. It's a little see-through in the middle there, but nothing that is just kind of peeking, a little bit of skin here and there. It's not showing your full bra. It's not anything like that at all. So really nice and delicate touch there. It is a long sweater and it's kind of wide as far as the fit of it. Not overly loose, but I did feel like I had a little bit of excess skin, not excess skin, but excess material as I was trying to tuck it in. So I do kind of wish this had a little bit more of a fitted style. They do say it is a true to size sweater, and I have the size medium here, and I wouldn't say that I could size down. I mean, perhaps I could if I wanted to be more fitted, but it did fit me great through the shoulders. It actually runs a little bit short on my arms, but I do have longer arms and usually I kind of run into that problem, but I pull them up like this all the time anyway, so it's no big deal. Overall, it is a gorgeous sweater. I do wish they'd come out in other colors. It's only coming in this black, and I'd love to see this in just kind of like more of a rich, vivid color that's so hot for this season right now, or even a white would be really beautiful, like a white ecru color would be really stunning as well. But hopefully they come out with other options on this, but the black is gorgeous. Sometimes I feel black kind of washes me out a little bit. I don't know, I'm a little on the fence of whether I like the way black looks on me, but let me show you how I'm styling it. By the way, if you're curious about this sweatshirt, it's the Alexa sweatshirt, also from Sezane. I purchased it from one of my previous hauls that I have, and I will link that down below for you to check that out. But I do love this sweatshirt. It's really casual and nice and fun, and I love just a little bit of an elevated style because I'm not normally a person to wear a sweatshirt. So this is a really fun shirt nonetheless. Now moving on, this is the Sam trousers. Now this is a very popular denim on Sezane because both this color, which is the light blue, and the darker denim that it comes in, they're both very, very limited in sizing as to what's available. So I'd say that people really love this jean and it is almost sold out for that reason. So this is a high-waisted jean with 3 buttons and a zipper style. I love this detail here of the jeans, And I love the big wide belt buckles that you can wear a nice big fat Sezane belt on it. I do need to invest in one of their belts. Give me a suggestion as to which one you think I should get. What's the best one out there? And I'd love to check it out. It has also a little bit of pleating here, Italian pockets, and the back also has pocket detail, which is not real. Actually, yeah, let me check that. Yeah, they're not real pockets in the back, so it's just a detail there for design. They are an ankle length. They're 28 inseam, so they're hitting me just at my ankle, and they are a tapered style. Now, as for the fit, I have the US 6, and the website does suggest to size up if you're in between sizes, suggesting that they might run a little bit on the small side. However, I beg to differ because I do think these fit me just fine in the size 6. Really happy with the way they fit at the waist, through the hips, and the bum area. Nice and flattering, not flattening. They're not flattening me at all or squishing me in at all. I don't feel any tightness there whatsoever. It feels really, really good. So I'm super, super happy about that. I love the length of them. I love their flattering, tapered style, and that is a really, really great fit. I do have to call out a little bit of that pulling at the crotch area again, unfortunately. I don't know if this is just a thing with Sezane and they just can't get that area perfect, but I'm having an issue with that as well. But again, it's not due to them fitting too small on me. They're very roomy, they fit really great. It's just doing that. So again, let me know if you have tried these Sam trousers. Are you experiencing that yourself? Is this just all in my head? Am I just like, I don't know. I'm just like overthinking this, but regardless of that, I do love the way these fit. I am torn between keeping either these or the Tommy trousers. I think I have a lot of these silhouettes already, so I would lean more towards the Tommy trousers because I'm really loving that wide leg style at the moment. Let me know what you think of my styling and give me your opinions on whether or not you own these and maybe try to convince me otherwise. So let me know. So next up we have the Bert blouse, and this is a beautiful blue color, perfect for that saturated color trend that we are experiencing for fall right now. This fits perfectly with that. It's the only color that it comes in. I do wish they come out with more colors in this because it is a very beautiful style. It has been quite popular. I can see it's only got a few sizes left on the website, so I can see why, because the detail on this is just absolutely stunning. It is 100% cotton. It has gorgeous lace detail here at the neckline and this nice little chevron lace pattern here on the top of the chest, coming down to this beautiful embroidery, a little bit of eyelet lace detail there. Really, really stunning, so feminine and beautiful. I just love every inch of this. It's really, really gorgeous. The short sleeves are a balloon style with an elasticated part here and a little bit of ruffling detail there. As far as the fit, it does say that this runs large, so you need to size down. They just flat out say this runs large. But I have to beg to differ because I went with my usual size, which is, this is the 38 US 6, and I'd say that it fits me really well. I do have very broad shoulders, so I'm always skeptical about sizing down on things because it may not fit me in my shoulders. So for that reason, I stayed with this size and I'm happy that I did. So if you do have broad shoulders, you might want to consider that as well. I do have to say the rest of it though, it is quite roomy though. So although it fits me great in the shoulders, it does fit me really loose and wide on the rest of the shirt. When I tuck it in, is kind of pooling quite a bit. Like you can feel that there's a lot of excess material there. So that's not my favorite thing, but you can work your way around it. Sometimes I just kind of push that excess material to the back so it looks a little bit more fitted from the front, and then, you know, it just has that excess material in the back. So that's a way to work around it. But I do love this. I think it's really beautiful. If this blue color resonates with you, which for me it does, because I think it looks really nice on my skin. I love that color. I think it's very flattering, and blue can be very universally flattering too. So I do suggest trying this if you can find it in your size. I think it's really, really lovely. All right, ladies, that concludes another Sezane haul. Let me know about the pieces that I picked out today. Did you like them? Have you purchased any of them? Are you thinking about it? I'd love to hear your thoughts on it, especially the jeans. I want to know if you've purchased these, what you thought about the fit on me. Do you like them? Can you take it or leave it? I'm not quite sure, so please give me your opinion. I love chatting with you down there. I answer each and every one of you, so let's get a conversation started. And of course, if you're new here or have not yet subscribed, I'd love for you to please join this community. Not only do I do a lot of Sezane content, but I also do a lot of outfit styling videos helping you look very chic and feminine. So I'd love to have you come back. Please hit that little red subscribe button down below and the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Thank you again so much for being here. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. I'll see you very soon and have a wonderful day.